What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be doing this high sleek top knot bun you see here, you guys, using braiding hair. So let's jump straight into the video. My hair is already permed and washed, you guys, so I'm just going to be putting that in a ponytail. I'm showing you what I use to moisturize my hair, and yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into it. We're not gonna blow dry our hair or anything like that. We're just gonna brush it up in a ponytail, and yeah, like start with, molding the hair into, what we need. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. So this ponytail do not have to be perfect because we're gonna redo it again. So we're just gonna be gelling up my hair. We're gonna use the Gorilla Snot gel, and this works best for me. I feel like I just use that much, and I just insert, just put it all around my hair, and basically just mold that up, and yeah. And you guys, I speed this video up, so it is looking kind of fast. I didn't want you guys sitting here for a long time, but I wanted to be very detailed, and I wanted all the steps to be in this video. So this is not in real speed, so just keep that in mind. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I love you, China Beauty gang and China Beauty. Okay, so now we're gonna be getting our baby hairs laid. Don't mind my little dirty brush. I have to dip it in alcohol and clean it and stuff, but we're gonna be pulling out these baby hairs because I feel like this look ain't looking without baby hairs, y'all. You have to give it baby hairs to make it look like how you really want it to look. You feel what I'm saying? Because look at it without the baby hairs, and look at it with the baby hairs. You have to put baby hairs. It's just a must. So, but this step is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to, but a little swerving, it won't hurt nobody. So pull them baby hairs out and get your edge control ready, because I use something different for my baby hairs. I don't use the Gorilla Gel. I use edge control. So we're going to be swerving our baby hairs, y'all, and yeah, I feel like the way that I do my baby hairs now is kind of different, but I kind of like it like this. So, I pulled out a little too much, but it's okay because we're going to reinsert our ponytail. We're going to redo it again anyway, so it's okay. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Like, tell me something. Let me know you're watching. Let me know you're there. Talk to me. Yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to do me a big favor and turn on y'all post notification bell so y'all don't miss no other video, because y'all, okay, I am uploading. Turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And I really wanted y'all to see how long it takes me to get these baby hairs right. I feel like this takes me the whole 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Because this right here is the look. The baby hairs, okay? The bun on the top. The baby hairs and the bun on the top. And how sleek your hair looks in the ponytail. You know what I'm saying? So if your hair is not relaxed, I suggest you flat iron it if you don't want to relax it, or relax it, because yeah, that's how you get the sleek look, you guys. Definitely how you get the sleek look. I wonder if y'all like my background. This is the Brooklyn Bridge behind me. This is the edge control I'm using. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the edge control I'm using from Dollar Tree, y'all. Yes, $1. Go get it. It's okay, And yeah, this picture right here is so big. It's so much bigger than what y'all see. But this is literally the Brooklyn Bridge, and y'all know I'm from New York, so I had to give y'all a taste of where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? Just a little hint, a little hint, a little hint. But yeah, y'all. So we're gonna swerve now. We're gonna swerve. We're gonna take our finger and hold that and put it where you want it to go. Kind of brush it like your fingers will use as the second brush to go around it, and hold it down so it won't move. And that's how we're gonna swerve these baby hairs. Try to make sure that part is straight so it won't look, And yeah, just keep swerving, y'all. Swerve, swerve. Get it all together. Yeah, just like that, boo. So now we're gonna spray some Gots to Be Free spray on it to make sure that hold is there, you guys. And yeah, it's kind of burning because I have a perm. After you finish perm your hair and then you put like an alcohol based product in it, it just burns, y'all. It burns so bad. It burns so bad. Okay, so I'm trying to just eat that, act like it don't burn, but it do. But my ponytail's looking real good, okay? It's looking like how it's supposed to look. And that's only, well, it would look nice like if I didn't perm my hair and I just flat ironed it. And then, but that's too much work. I need perm. I love perming my hair. I don't know why. I've been doing it since I was a little kid. Sometimes I like to take that baby hair and kind of swerve it that way, but it didn't work out fine. So I just left it like how I should have left it. I don't know what I was trying to do with that little piece right there. So now we're going to be doing the ponytail over again so it could be really, really sleek. And yeah, we're just going to hold that and really put everything together because the jam is in there now. It should give it a tighter hold, a more grip on, it's not dry like how it was. So it's going to definitely hold your hair better than that first ponytail. So that's why I like to do it a second time. And let's go in to the tedious part. Okay, you guys, so now I'm taking some braiding hair. Any braiding hair would do, and I'm just showing y'all my bag of braided hair, or my wigs, everything that I got. Like, this is just my hair supply hair bag. So we're gonna take some braiding hair, just one little bundle, as I say. And you see how it's wrapped in the rubber band already? We're gonna leave it just like that and literally put and wrap that in a ponytail. And now we're gonna pull out a piece that's gonna wrap around our hair, so it's not gonna show like the braiding hair or anything like that. We're gonna pull out one little small little piece right there. And what we're gonna do with our hair and the braided hair, we're gonna tuck it in between each other. So we're gonna put one braided hair on the side and one other braided piece of braided hair in between that, and we're gonna twist it together. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do right here. Right now, I was trying to say it takes me a couple of tries, before you get the bun how you want it. But trust me, you see, the first time my hair was kind of showing, everything wasn't looking right. So I just simply took it out and tried it again. So now at least y'all could see what I did more. I put my hair in between that hair, and I basically kind of covered it, like camouflaged it kind of with my real hair, tuck that in between, and now we're gonna twist. You get what I'm saying? So make sure you twist your real hair and the braiding hair together at that very top of the bun, and we're just gonna twist on how we want the bun. No, still not. So it's gonna take like a couple of tries, but at least you get the picture of how you do it. It's very simple and easy, you guys. Like, this is a very simple and easy hairstyle, so we're gonna twist one more time to ensure it's really wrapped how we need it, and kind of wrap it kind of tight. Don't put the ponytail tight, but the wrapping, what we're doing, we're gonna put that tight because we want that to stay a hard knot bun. So that is kind of, yes, what I need, what it was giving, Yeah. Oh, y'all, tell me that don't look good. Tell me that do not look good. Like, I still got the bun in my head right here, right now, but it's like, it's messed up, but it's still like, this is 2 days already. This bun been good, y'all. So I'm just letting y'all know. This is lit. So, So what I did, I started wrapping, and what I did was hold it, and I re-wrapped the hair the other way, so that wrap that I first had with the bun is gonna stay in because of this piece, this strand that I have out. I simply like kind of tucked it in between and just started wrapping again, you guys. I know you saw that. It was pretty easy, simple. It took like, let's say 20 minutes, so it's very easy to just pop on and go and do what you gotta do, a little dinner, a little brunch. This is cute, y'all. This is cute, simple style when you don't really have nothing to do with your hair. So I love it. It looks awesome with that bun. I'm gonna, this is gonna be my signature hairstyle, y'all. Y'all gonna be seeing these buns. Okay, because the braids, I don't know about the braid. The braid in here, when I braid the ponytail, it be fine too. But this right here is giving something, I don't know. Like, what? Maybe I'll try 2 ponytails. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching my hair tutorial, my ponytail tutorial, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe now. Okay, and if you made it this far, thank you so much. I really, really love you guys. And this is the finishing look now. Look at that, y'all. Like, what? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Yeah, that bun, you can't even see my hair in between it. So that is really, I did that. Yes, I did that. Stay tuned for my makeup tutorial. It should be coming out too, you guys. I love you so much, and let's go.